Now, here are 5 simple steps on how to create cinematic title and graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro. Step number 1. Creating a new title with the text tool. Alright, open Adobe Premiere Pro and go to the graphics workspace. So go to Window at the top, Workspace, and click on Caption and Graphics. Now, in the program monitor, select the Type tool. It looks like a T icon. You can also press the shortcut key, letter T, on the keyboard. So it looks like a T icon. Click directly in the program monitor where you want your text to appear. A text box will open where you can type your desired text. Sample text. Once you've entered your text, you can use the Essential Graphics panel to customize the font, size, color, and other text properties. To adjust the text position or further modify its appearance, use the selection tool, the arrow icon, to move or resize your text box. Step number 2. Customizing text and fonts. Double-click on the title template in the program monitor to enter the title designer. Highlight the existing text and type in your desired title. Experiment with different fonts. Make sure to click this text title. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and styles using text tool and font menu. Here are some examples. Try to use Roboto Bold for a clean, modern look, or you can use Lato font, or you can use Roboto. Now for the size, set the font size to 72 for a prominent title. You can use italics for emphasis, or all caps for a dramatic effect. You can change the tracking settings to 300 to space out the letters. Now adjust the text alignment and position using the alignment tools in the title designer. You can also change the text color by selecting the text and choosing a color from the color picker tool. For example, you can choose a bold color like this color for striking, attention-grabbing text title. Or you can simply use color white. Click OK. Number 3. Adding graphics and shapes. In the title designer, navigate to the graphics panel. Click on the text title. Click on this icon. New layer. You can choose shapes right here. For example, rectangle. Make sure to drag the shape at the bottom so that you can see the text. Click on the selection tool and adjust the rectangle. You can adjust the size to create a background banner for your text. And you can also change the color of this rectangle to whatever color you want. Once selected, click OK. You can also add circles by clicking this icon and choose ellipse. Use the selection tool to move it around, and you can also change the size of this shape. Now, adjust the positioning and layer of the shapes by using the alignment tools and layer order settings in graphics panel. For example, you can place the transparent rectangle behind your text to improve readability, or use lines and dividers to create a more structured layout. Number 4. Applying text and animation. Head to the Effects control by going to Window, click on Effects, typically located in the left corner of the workspace. Select the title template on the timeline to reveal its properties in the Effects control panel, and click on the Effects control panel. Here, you can apply various effects to enhance your title appearance. Okay, head to the Effects control panel, typically located in the left corner of the workspace. Select your title template on the timeline to reveal its properties in the Effects control panel. Click on the Effects control panel. In the Effects panel, you can search for example, drop shadow, and drag it to your title on the timeline. Go to Effects Control and then look for Drop Shadow. Select your title template on the timeline to reveal its properties in the Effects Control panel. Here, you can apply various effects to enhance your title's appearance. For example, to add drop shadows effects, find the drop shadow, choose the shadow color, make it white, click OK. You can change the distance like that. You can also change the direction by dragging it. You can change the opacity like that. And you can also change the softness like that. Adjust the settings like the distance, softness, of the drop shadows to achieve the desired look. To add animations, navigate to the Effects panel, usually located in the left side of the workspace. Search for text or graphic transition. For example, you can search for Film Dissolved and drag the desired animation effect onto your title template on the timeline. Place the play button in the program monitor to view the effects. Now you can customize the animation by adjusting its duration, direction, and other parameters in the Effects Controls panel. Or by simply clicking on this, and you can change the duration by dragging this one to the right or to the left. Okay, play it again. Let's see. Playing now, sample text. Number 5, fine-tuning and previewing. Once you've applied effects and animation, it's time to fine-tune your title design. Play back your sequence in the program monitor to preview how your title looks in the context of your video. If adjustments are needed, simply click on your title template on the timeline to select it, then make changes in the title designer or effects control panel as necessary. Continue refining your titles until you're satisfied with the results. Finally, review your entire video project in the program monitor to ensure that your title seamlessly integrates with the rest of your content. You can put this title wherever on your timeline, maybe on top of your video, like this, and then you play it like that. For example, imagine you're creating a travel vlog showcasing your adventure in bustling city. With the right title design, you can evoke the energy and excitement of urban exploration, drawing viewers into your story right from the start. And that's your 5 simple steps how to create cinematic title and graphics in Adobe Premiere Pro.